What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a pretty exciting one. I am super stoked. As you guys can already tell by the title of this video, we are picking up a new front bumper. Now this was a pretty random thing, I guess. I posted a few things for sale on Instagram that I had laying around. Somebody wanted to buy the front bumper that I already had on the car, which wasn't for sale. I decided, well, if I sell it, I can get the bumper that I really want. And that's exactly where we're at. So I'm super stoked. So today is actually Friday. We're picking up the bumper tomorrow. So today I want to get the car looking a little bit more put together. So when we put the bumper on, we can get an overall look of how the car is gonna be, if that makes any sense. A little bit more presentable, I guess. So today we are going to be working on the trunk. It's already prepped, sanded and everything. We just gotta blow all the dust off, clean it up, shoot some primer. And it's gonna be a base primer. I just wanna really see where we need to throw down some more work. And if all looks great, then we'll throw down a lot of primer, block it, and we'll be golden. And then tomorrow we'll head out to Long Beach area and we're gonna be picking up the new front bumper. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, hit that thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and actually move my car out to about there. My car died, so Shane to the rescue. We're gonna go ahead and jump start my car real quick. Got the garage all cleaned out, so now we're gonna go ahead and get the car washed, and then after that we'll pick up the video tomorrow, get the new bumper.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. Eternal. Eternal.
So it's the next morning now. It is 10:04 right now. We are arriving out in Long Beach to pick up my new bumper, boys. So we're gonna load it up We'll reveal it when we get home. Yeah. Alright bros, we're back home, so we're just gonna jump straight into it. Let me go ahead and show you the new bumper we got. You guys probably already saw it when we were loading it in, but let me go ahead and show you guys. There she is, boys. Ended up getting the GT3 front bumper to go with the GT3 rear bumper, and this is poly. Ended up going with this. This is the bumper that I originally wanted. The only reason why I didn't get it last time was just because they didn't make it in poly yet. Only fiberglass, and I don't want a front bumper in fiberglass. But here she is, guys. I'm so stoked. So let's get straight into it. We're gonna air the car up, pop the hood, and get this bumper thrown on. And then I think I'm also gonna go ahead and put the grill on as well. Damn, that is dirty. Get this grill put on as well. So stoked. So right off the bat, I can tell you guys, it is gonna need a little bit trimming right in this area. We're gonna need a trim. You can see there's this big gap. That's because of this. So yeah, so we're gonna have to trim a little bit out here. You need to buy clips for there and there for these parts. And then again, a little bit of trimming there to get it to fit a little bit better, but there she is. Damn, dude. It sticks out like pretty far too. It looks like it's, huh?
You'll be able to park in here?
Yeah. It looks like it's angling up in video. I don't think it's like that in person. Let's see. Maybe we can get it to sit in, or maybe it's because of this piece. I don't know. Definitely a lot different, that's for damn sure. Ooh, oh gosh. Yo, way different. I gotta get used to that.
Was it touching the ground before?
No, it was off the last bumper did not touch the ground. Airing out almost made this body line actually a little closer. But yeah, we're still gonna need to, oh, broke that zip tie. Yeah, see, because we need to trim there so we can push up, because it won't even allow me to push up right now. Yo, real quick, guys, we got the grill thrown on, and geez, man, it looks good. I took off on the bumper. Actually, it was really easy. Just a few rivets. But I took all these off, all these 4 pieces of the bumper that allowed the bumper to sit a lot more flush to where we did not actually have to trim the bumper at all. So let me go ahead and show you guys real quick how that looks. There she is now. Dude. And then like I said, the grill, we got the grill on as well. Whoo-wee. She's looking so spicy. Love it. I would like to pull her out, but she's dead again. I really need to figure out what that issue is, but fuck, looks so good. A quick little walk around. bit later in the day. My buddy was supposed to come by, but he didn't end up coming by. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and close out this video right here. But comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I'm a little buzzed right now, to be honest, guys. And we're gonna play some games and drink with the whole crew right over there. So I'm gonna end this video. Hope to catch you all in the next one. Smash that subscribe button if you guys aren't already. Hope to catch you all in the next one. Hit that thumbs up. Peace out and keep moving. That's TJ Huts. I can't do that. Peace out. What do I say at the end? I don't. What do my videos end with? Oh, and until next time, peace out.